Hi there, I'm Mike from Mike's Carburetor Parts. In this video I'm going to show you how to relieve the fuel pressure from a 1992 to a 1995 Honda Civic fuel system. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.
Where did you get the new fuel injectors?
Mike's Carburetor Parts.
I thought they only sell carburetor parts.
No, they also sell high-quality fuel injectors. Mike's Carburetor Parts knows about injectors too.
So before removing any component on a fuel injection system, the fuel pressure should be released. Why is that? The Honda Civic has 40 pounds of fuel pressure. That kind of pressure can put an eye out. Compare this to a carburetor system that holds only 4 to 5 pounds. You should consider also wearing safety glasses and have a fire extinguisher handy. Here are the steps you need to take. Remove the negative side of the battery. Lay a rag over the fuel filter to absorb any excess fuel that may leak out. And you will need 2 wrenches to remove the service bolt, which is located on top of the fuel filter. Take a look at the illustration. 1 wrench for the service bolt and 1 for the banjo bolt. While holding the banjo bolt, slowly loosen the service bolt. Gas will start leaking around the service bolt. Once all the pressure is relieved and your work is done, replace the service bolt with a new sealing gasket. Torque the service bolt to 96 inch-pounds. Along with relieving pressure, the service bolt is where the fuel pressure tester is fitted. At mikescarb.com, we have high-quality new and remanufactured fuel injectors and other injector parts. Thank you for watching.